If you want to save a video from CapCut the right way, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to export your project, choose the right file settings, and save it to the correct folder on your computer. This is super useful whether you're making short-form content, YouTube videos, or just want to keep a finished copy of your edit on your device. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut Desktop and look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a blue export button. This is the button that starts the saving process, so go ahead and click it. Once you do that, CapCut will open the export window where you can set up all of your video file options before saving. Now let's go through the file settings. At the top, you'll see a title box. This is where you can name your video file. It's a good idea to use a clear file name so you can find it easily later, especially if you export a lot of videos. After that, look for Export To. This lets you choose the exact location where your video will be saved. Click the folder icon and pick a folder on your computer, like your desktop, downloads, or videos folder. Choosing the right location now saves time later because you won't have to search for the file after it finishes exporting. Next, move to the video settings. One of the most important options here is resolution. For most videos, 1080p is the best choice because it gives you a really good balance between quality and file size. If you want high resolution, you can choose 2K or 4K, but keep in mind that if your original footage wasn't recorded in that quality, exporting in a high resolution won't magically make it look better. It's always best to match your export settings to the quality of your source clips. After that, check the bitrate setting. In most cases, you should keep this on recommended. That helps CapCut choose a solid export quality without making the file unnecessarily large. Then look at Codec. Leave it set to the default H.264 because that is widely supported and works well on most devices and platforms. It's a safe choice if you want your video to play smoothly almost everywhere. Now check the format option. Make sure MP4 is selected. MP4 is one of the most compatible video formats available, which makes it ideal if you plan to upload your video to YouTube, send it to someone else, or watch it on different devices. Finally, look at frame rate. You can leave it at 30 frames per second for a standard smooth result, or switch to 60 frames per second if your video has fast motion and you want it to look even smoother. If you're editing gaming content, action clips, or anything with a lot of movement, 60 frames per second can be a great option. Once all your settings look good, the last step is to click the export button at the bottom of the pop-up window. CapCut will begin rendering your video, and you'll see a progress bar as it saves the file. Just wait until it reaches 100%. When the export is complete, you'll see an Open Folder option in the bottom left corner. Click that, and CapCut will take you straight to your saved video file, so you can view it immediately. And that's it. You now know how to save a video from CapCut using the correct export settings and the best file format for compatibility. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut and video editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.